Good morning, dear students, and welcome to E-class of St. Xavier School, Adipur. So, students, we have already finished our essay, right, in our last session. Now, let's continue with our grammar textbook portion. So, the chapter we are going to start is chapter number 20 because chapter number 19 we have finished till chapter number 19 in our fourth unit test. Now we are going to start with prepositions. We all have learned preposition in third standard. We are again revising it. So what is a preposition? Preposition is a word that links a noun and a pronoun. What is a noun? Noun is a naming word, name of a place, person, animal or thing. And pronoun, that is which we present it. ओके सो आई होप यू आर क्लियर। जब भी हम नाउन और प्रोनाउन को साथ में हम जब जोड़ने की या उसके बारे में कुछ बताने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, लिंक करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, तब हम क्या यूज करते हैं? prepositions. Yes, we use prepositions such as in, at, on, before. ये सारे prepositions हैं जो लिंक बताते हैं. So let's read it and understand it and let us make it more clear and clear. Okay. So a preposition is a word that links a noun or a pronoun to other words in the sentence. Yes. There is a dog in the garden. Okay. Dog and where it is in the garden. So what we are adding? क्या हम लिंक कर रहे हैं? in. Okay. नाउन और प्रोनाउन को लिंक कर रहे हैं in the garden. प्लेस पे है. It does not belongs to anyone. किसी को भी बिलोंग नहीं करता है. It entered through the gate. किसके जरिए? through. So we are finding the link. वो link क्या है? preposition. It is sitting beside the swimming pool. क्या हम बता रहे हैं? एक तो swimming pool and beside. Okay. It has been there for an hour. For an hour. Let's get some milk for it. Okay. So what are the linking words? For, beside, through, to, in. So I hope you are a clear students. You all have already studied in your third standard on, at, in, before, beside. All of these are prepositions. So whenever you are linking a noun and a pronoun, then that is known as preposition. So let's get started with A. Given below is some commonly used prepositions. Arrange them in the alphabetical order. Means A, B, C, D. Okay. So first we are going to find out, first I am going to read out all the words, okay? Above, inside, under, over, to, below, beside, towards, during, with, of, from, after, around, upon, at, on, and through, between, down, behind, in and from. So we have to arrange them in an alphabetical order. So starting with A. The first word would be above. A, B. Okay. Above. Then after. Then around. Okay. At. Then started B. Behind. Below. Beside. Between. Down. During. For. From. In. Inside. Off. On. Over, then through, to, towards, under, upon, and with. So I hope you are a clear student. Start with alphabetical order A. So in A also A, B. In A, B also A, B, O, U. You can see these both are similar. So above and above almost similar. But T is there. Then F. Then as you have to go alphabetical order. Alphabetical order में आपको जाना है A, B, C, D, E. तो जो पहले आएगा उसको. So I hope you are clear with this. Now prepositions of position. The next topic is preposition of positions. Position के बारे में, यानी अगर ये पेन मेरे हाथ में है, तो it's on my hand. तो ये क्या हुई? पोजीशन. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट पोजीशन. वो कहाँ है? ओके. प्लेस, पोजीशन. गिवन बिलो आर सम ऑफ द prepositions that indicates position. The child is in the park. You can see the park picture. You can refer your textbook, student. The child is in the park. Where it is? In clear cut. So in here reflects position of a child. क्या बता रहा है? Child कहाँ है? The pencil is on the book. Okay, the book is under the pencil. Yes, book is for under the pencil. Yes, it shows preposition. Okay, touching the surface closely below. It's clearly denoting कि कहाँ है? Book है below pen के. There is a clock above the table. You can see it's above. It's showing the position. There is a table below the clock. और table कहाँ है? Below the clock. The child is under the tree. Yes, it's under the tree. And the birds are flying over the tree. Yes, they are over the tree. So what are they showing? They are showing the position. The girl is in front of the house. Yes, the girl is in front. Okay, suppose I am also in front of this board. So I am in front. This shows my position. The girl is in front of a house. The tree is behind the house. Behind यानी पीछे. Suppose okay, the board is, where is the board? The board is behind me. Behind मतलब पीछे. मेरे पीछे है. The circle is between the squares. Yes, the circle is between. ये भी position हुई. Circle कहाँ है? दो squares के बीच में. And the circle is among the squares. Among यानी उन सब के बीच में ही है. So I hope students you are clear with the position. So let's start with the activity portion of this. Fill in the blanks with suitable preposition of position. Okay. There is a new picture. Dash the wall. On होगा. On the wall. It won't be between the wall. It would be on the wall. The boy put the pencil. Dash the box. In the box. Box के अंदर डाली. रजनी sat Aman and Seema. दो जनों के बीच में means between. Rajni sat between Amarj and Seema. The child stood dash her mother. Okay, it won't be above. It would be behind her mother. So behind means the back side. The kitten was sitting dash the table. Under the table. The kitten was sitting under the table. So this was preposition of position. Now let's see the next thing, that is preposition of time. अब समय बता रहे हैं. तो हम कैसे देखेंगे? कोई समय जैसे at, हम at के बारे में बोलेंगे. on Sunday days के लिए हम क्या यूज करेंगे? on. at यानी कोई जगह पे हम जा रहे हैं तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे? at. So let's see some of the examples. At is used to refer a definite point of time, meal time or names of festival. The class will begin at 8 a.m. At time बता रहा है. We found some time to talk at lunch. कब? At lunch. Okay. The children will visit their grandparents at Christmas. They will visit at Christmas. On is used with days and day. Her mother will come back on Monday. So, on which day? On is used for days. On Monday. The elections will be held on 5th May. Means that particular day. So, we use on. So, I repeat once more, students. At is used for definite point of time. And on is used for days and day. So, I hope students you are clear with prepositions. Now last one, that is in. In is used with parts of dates, months, years and seasons. Whenever in is used, months, okay, dates, years and seasons. Can you see the example? Madhu came to my house in the evening. When she came? In the evening. My birthday is in August, means in particular month. So we will use in. My Turkish friend visited India in 1990. That particular year, 1990. So what you will use? In 1990. I will go to Shimla in summer. When you will go in a particular season, that is in summer. So I hope students you are clear with in, on and at. So this is preposition of time. And for preposition of positions we use behind, between, among, in front of, all of these are used for prepositions and preposition of time. Whenever you are showing a position, that is, a book is on my hand, sorry, a pen is on my hand, that is on my hand, we are showing a position. Behind, front, okay, between, all of these shows position. And time we have seen at, in, all of these on. So these three are used for time. Okay, so let's start with the activity portion of this chapter. So suitable prepositions of time. We wear woolen clothes dash winter. In winter we use in for particular season, and cotton clothes in summer. Dash Thursday, my friend Atul just called me. Okay, on particular day we use on. So on Thursday. I will decorate the house with diyas and candles at Diwali, a particular festival, that is at Diwali. Ahmed wakes up dash time again at 7 o'clock in the morning every day. A day is there in the morning. Dr. Radhakrishnan's birthday is on a date 5th September. So we will use on. Whenever particular day is there, we will use on. So I hope students you are clear with preposition of time. So let's see with the other activities. You have to underline the prepositions in the sentence. So let's see. I like to play chess with my grandfather. To and with. I like to play chess with my grandfather. We are connecting the link. Ajay walked towards the auditorium in a hurry. 2 words. Okay, that's also a link. In hurry. This movie was made in 1989. Anil and Deepak were quiet during the lecture. When? During. That is the time. There is a small box at the end of the lane. At place. Okay. Are you participating in the debate? So it is the preposition. The tourists from England were awed by the Taj Mahal. By the reading on the thermometer reached below the red mark. On and below. Okay. He refused to work under the new boss. Okay. To and under. These are prepositions linking between two. There is a lake just beyond the park. Okay, so I hope students you are clear with this. Now let's see the next activity. Choose the correct preposition to fill in the blanks. To, by, to, on, with, over, among, behind, and near. You have to use this bracket. Okay. The train dash Mumbai went dash 3 tunnels. The train to Mumbai went through 3 tunnels. Tarun was late by 10 minutes means by. Then the third one, Preeti distributed sweets dash her friends among her friends. The thief hid dash a wall to avoid the police. You can say behind the wall. He sat dash the floor and played with marble on the floor. Places given. The cat jumped over the bushes. The restaurant dash the theatre is very popular. Near the theatre is very popular. Paul likes to play dash his friend with his friend. Paul likes to play with his friend. So I hope you are clear with this. Now let's see the next activity portion, that is choose the correct preposition from those given in the bracket. Okay. Sarabjit walked the auditorium to receive a phone call out of the auditorium. Where did Sarabjit walk? Out of the auditorium. Rajita lives in Delhi. Places given. Near Qutub Minar. You can say near Qutub Minar. Okay. Come and sit beside me. Where you will say come and sit beside me. The way through the woods was covered with creepers and bushes. You can see creepers and bushes. Okay. There is a lawn. Lawn means garden. In front of your house. Yes, there is a lawn in front of our house. I would be at, okay, a speed of 90 kilometers an hour. The child's bag is full of apples, not in apple. It will be of apples. So I hope you are clear with this, student. This activity is Sumaya works in the office. Look at her diary and complete the sentence about the activities during her week. You can see the activities, then you will finish. Monday, 12th March, 9 a.m. get this. Tuesday, 13th March, 1 p.m. lunch with Mr. Menon. Wednesday, 15th March, 8 p.m. dinner with friends. Thursday, 15th March, 3 p.m. meeting with director NCRT. Friday, 16th March, 12th noon meeting with board of directors. Saturday, 17th March, my birthday party. Sunday, 18th March, visit Rita's parents. No, remember Sonu's birthday, 21st March. So with this, you have to frame all your things. Means you have to use the preposition. Dash Monday morning. On Monday morning, a particular day you will use on. At 9 a.m. time is there. So Maya has to go to dentist. She has to meet Mr. Menon for lunch on Tuesday at 1 p.m. time is there. On 14th March on a particular day, she will go out for dinner with friends. Okay. She has a meeting with the director of NCRT at 3 p.m. Okay, the time is given. In the afternoon on Thursday, a particular day you use on. On 16 March again a date. She has a meeting of the board of directors, again the time at 12 noon. Her birthday party is on 17th March and Sonu's birthday is on 21st March. Okay, on particular day. And last one, she is not working, dash the weekend, at the weekend, dash Sunday, she will visit Rita's parents. On Sunday, she will visit Rita's parents. So students, I hope you are clear with the chapter preposition. Read it properly and then finish the activity portion of this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.